Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday market webcast. Okay, sorry we missed yesterday. A little technical blue screen of death difficulty that we fixed before the open, thankfully. Yesterday was a solid day. It was a nice little down day. Had a great look at the 9-day and the weekly pivot failure up around 39.13, which you took advantage of overnight. Then we spent the rest of the day, regular session yesterday was just a couple of things kind of waiting to see if they were going to work out. Nice long from 80.5 and a nice short overnight from 92.25. Unfortunately, it stopped me out of my sleep before it went down to 40, but that's life. What we're seeing now is an attempt by the bears to hold that 20-day simple moving average, the daily mid-band, as resistance. You see weekly pivot up here at 13. You see the 9-day, which is 39.05. So same rules we talked about forever, right? Hey, bears, pick two lines, one line, two line, close below it. Now spend an entire Globex below those lines, and we'll talk about a deeper pullback. That's the anatomy of a deeper pullback. Today is probably the best opportunity the bears have had in some time to execute on that set of rules. And it's only through that set of rules that you're going to get the pullback. The thing that was most interesting to me about yesterday and is most interesting to me about today is that this hasn't really been fueled by any particular piece of news. There isn't some event we can point to and go, well, yeah, of course it's going down. I mean, look at that shit. That hasn't happened. So this is more price-based. This is profit-taking. This is more organic. This is, you got yields, things like that. There are things going on that are causing a little bit of a shift in the market. Is this sustainable? Probably not. I mean, is it ever truly sustainable? The only question is, are we going to pull back for a few weeks or a few days? We're working on the few days part. So you zoom out this hourly chart, you can see there's your all-time high, 39.59 back on President's Day. So it's been a week of lower highs and lower lows, and we've taken about 100 handles, 120 from the lows out of the futures in about a week. That's okay. I mean, it's it's a couple few percent. It's like 4%. But if you want the deeper move, you've got to convert the 20-day. You have to convert the daily middle band, because as we go back to the daily chart, you can see we haven't dealt with the lower band. Well, the 1st of February didn't stay there for long. But ultimately what the mini likes to do is trade between the bands. So, upper band, middle band, lower band. I'm not saying we're going to 37.23 today, but what I am saying is the first step to converting this is, the first step to getting the lower band is converting the middle band. The other thing that it does on a very baseline trading type perspective is it causes a baseline shift from a buy dips market to a sell rallies market. And we've seen the rally selling in the last few days. You're going to get pops. Look, you're going to get these little short covering rallies. It's how the bears deal with those rallies that's important. But by establishing price below the daily mid band on a closing basis and on a multi-day basis, for me, and we've been doing this a long time, shifts your trading outlook from buy dips to sell rallies. Contracts that like to trade between the middle band and the lower band are sell rallies tapes. Contracts that like to trade between the middle band and the upper band, as you've seen for the last, God knows, 9 months, those are dip buying tapes. So there's a lot hanging in the balance in the next 24 to 36 hours. Should be very interesting to see how it plays out. So we're short against the 20-day here. We're getting ready to take some profits. We'll let the rest work into the open, and we'll see what we have. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. Come check out the room. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princetontrader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.